Fast Step Restoration stands as your trusted partner for effective mold removal and remodeling services. We guarantee fast scheduling for mold testing and removal to ensure your peace of mind. Fast Step understands that mold growth is an urgent issue that requires immediate attention rather than delay. Mold can grow almost anywhere there is moisture and organic material, which are often found in everyday building materials. Just one mold organism can create millions of spores that can rapidly invade and spread throughout a house. Prolonged exposure to mold has been linked to numerous health issues, particularly threatening the well-being of elderly individuals and those with compromised immune systems. Mold testing plays a vital role in safeguarding your property and health. It helps prevent structural damage, protects your well-being, identifies hidden water damage, and supports informed decision-making. At Fast Step, we utilize the most advanced technology available to detect hidden mold growth in your home or business. We are thrilled to provide remodeling services to get your home back to its original condition. Call us today at 229-405-4137 or visit our website to schedule a free consultation at faststeprestoration.com.